Hello.
Hey guys.
We are staying in the Remer Hotel in Calis Beach.
We are room number 209.
In Turkey, yeah. So we thought we'd give you a quick room tour.
Absolutely.
Should we start with the bathroom, because I assume that's what that is?
Okay.
You'll see
Yes,
it.
we have
well, this is the main door. And then this is the bathroom. We haven't got the lights on, but you can still see. Yeah. Oh, the shower's nice and big. I thought it was going to... It looks small in the pictures. Oh, I don't know how that works, but we'll figure that out. Oh, there you go. Lovely big shower. We do have lights, I assume. Whoa!
Yeah.
Lovely big shower.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
With a rainfall.
Nice and clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a me.
Hi you.
A sink. A hairdryer. These never do anything.
I don't think we need it this week.
No. And then you step back out. We had to put our card in the what's it?
Yeah. Nice big mirror, what's amazing, love that. We do that.
Ooh.
That's better than the last hotel we see that.
Yeah.
Nice.
We've got a fridge, we've just put 2 bottles of water in there.
Yep.
We've got the tiniest TV I've ever seen.
Don't think we'll be here to worry about a telly for long. 2 beds.
That's for when I fall. To be honest, it is very hot, so I don't know. That might come in handy.
Wardrobe, yeah. Is it a small safe up there as well?
Oh, cool.
Love that.
And drawers at the bottom.
Yeah. Nice. It's
There's some slippers. And then showing the piece de resistance.
Come with me. Out onto our very small balcony, what overlooks the swimming pool. And a bar. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
It'd be okay for a week. It's small, but it's exactly walk back there. It's small, but it's exactly what we will need for a week.
Yeah,
happy?
it's nice. I like it.
Nice.
They definitely need new pictures online, because this isn't what it looked like online.
No, it did not. Yeah.
I thought it looked worse. So.
Absolutely. So I guess we finish this video when we stay there for a couple of days and see how we get on.
Yeah. Okay, we're at the end of our stay.
We are. That's sad. Yes.
So we wanted to recap our room stay and what we thought of the hotel and stuff.
Absolutely. We reckon.
So the room itself is simple.
Yep.
It's got everything you need. The bathroom's on the smaller side. I would have loved it's a 3-star Turkey hotel, so I would have loved a bigger shower.
Okay.
You know, those are kind of luxury things that I like on holiday. But the bathroom is simple and small, but it does the job. The shower's nice, actually.
Absolutely, yeah, shower is lovely. Yeah, the bed's on a firmer side.
Yeah.
It didn't bother me at all, but a couple of people that we were travelling with said that they haven't slept very well because it's on a firmer side. Personally, like I said, it hasn't bothered me. I don't think it's bothered you too much.
No, I mean, it is firmer, and I am waking up and then getting comfy, but I'm just waking up to reposition, and that's it.
Yeah, apart from that, effort's been perfect. I don't think the website does it justice at all. I think they need to update their sort of website and the photos within. It's so much better in person than it is on the website. What's fantastic, it's clean, the staff's amazing, really friendly, really attentive. Yeah, it's been really, really good actually. And we literally 2 minutes from the beach, so it's everything that we could have asked for, really.
They've got they do food, which is good. Obviously breakfast is included. Breakfast again, simple, but they've got an omelette station.
Yeah,
or I think you've been doing eggs. Yeah,
egg on toast. Yeah.
One day last week they had eggy bread.
Yes.
Which was very exciting for everybody. But it's mostly meats and cheeses. Yeah. And then breads and cereals and stuff like
Everything
that.
you want. If you want to get a full English, you could go 2 minutes down the strip and you get it at a reasonable price. So it depends what you want. I mean, I was happy, more than happy with egg on toast and coffee. But we did go down the strip one day and have a full English. So it's everything you need, really.
But then in the day they do lunches and dinners.
Yeah.
There again, it's sandwiches. I think they do pizza.
Yes.
things like that.
Ice cream, the milkshakes, that sort of stuff.
But it's all been really yummy.
It really
from
has.
Here.
Yeah, and I keep on saying it, but it's true. And you can see why people keep on coming back to this hotel, because I think you get locals and you keep on coming back time and time again. And it's really friendly, the staff's amazing. So you can see why they do come back.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. There are obviously other hotels in the area, and we haven't stayed at them, so I don't know about them. But this one, I would come here again.
100%. It's clean, it's tidy, it's friendly. It's everything you really need and want, really.
Yeah, so we hope this was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.